Hey, hi. Today we are going to discuss about the sum values and VLOOKUP values and how to complete this table. According to this question, if you go through there we have the 5 employee names. They are drawing their salaries of 12, 14, 15.3, 23 and 31 of their basic salaries. We want to calculate the DNS allowances, HRA, TA, gross salary per annum, tax rate, tax, how much they'll fall under the tax and the net salary. So for that we have there some calculations. How to calculate the DNS allowances? It's 30% of your basic. So 30% into what is the basic of Divya? 12,000. Just drag down. HRA, 30% of your basic and DNA. So again 30% of basic, 30% into. So if you want to add your sum basic and DA, you want to use the sum function. Okay, done. And if you want to calculate for the TA, it's 12% of your basic and DA. Again the same value, 12% into basic and DA. Okay. What will be the gross salary? Gross salary is nothing but sum of basic plus DA plus HRA plus TA. This is their monthly salary. If we want to calculate the same for per annum into 12. Okay. Now we want to calculate about the tax rate on which slab they will be falling. For example, here there is a table of gross salary, tax rate, blah blah blah. Okay. So if you go with this table, if you're drawing from 0 to 1 lakh, it is 10%. From 1 lakh to 3 lakhs, it is 15%. And 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, it is 20%. And 5 lakhs and above, it is 30%. So for this, we want to calculate here. And we will be using the VLOOKUP function. Just go with the VLOOKUP. Lookup value is 2,62, so 2,65,000 of 824 of the gross salary per annum. And lookup array is this thing. Just if you don't want to move the cells, just give the constant of all the cells. So for that you want to use the dollar symbol. Okay. And according to this, from gross salary, if it is 0 to 1 lakh, it will be 10%. If it is 1 lakh, it will be 15%. So we want the tax rate percentage there. So for that, you want to give the column index number. So that is 2 and the exact value. So approximate match is enough. Why? Because it should not be the exact match. So Divya will fall under 15% slab. Tanmay will fall under 20. Nikita will fall under 20. Shreya will fall under 30. Jyoti will fall under 30. Now how we want to calculate the tax? For tax we want to write gross salary per annum into what is the tax rate they have percentage. So for Divya it is 39,873.6 per annum she want to pay the tax. Just drag down and you will be getting values for Divya, Tanmay, Shreya, Nikita and Jyoti. Now if you want to calculate the net salary, that means in hand how much you will be getting. Gross salary is including of tax, net salary is after deduction of your tax. So for this, gross salary per annum minus, you want to go with the tax. So if you want to round off these values, just select those cells and this will be the final value. In the same way, if you want to do like this, you can go for this also. Correct? And one more thing, if you want to show the salaries .oo, just go with this and just select here. And in the same way, you can use for all the cells. Okay, now if you see in this, who is drawing the highest salary after the deduction of tax? It's nothing but Jyoti. And who is drawing the least salary after the tax? That is Divya. So this is the calculations for the how to calculate the basic salaries and the on the basis of basic salaries to the DA, HRA, TA, gross salary, and per annum. Thank you.